Number 10. Middleware groups. Middleware groups allow developers to apply multiple middleware to a group of routes, improving code organization and reducing redundancy. Number 11. Laravel Mix. Laravel Mix, a fluent API for defining Webpack build tasks, making it easy to compile assets like CSS, JavaScript, and images. Number 12. Events and listeners. Events and listeners. Laravel's event system allows you to decouple various aspects of your application by broadcasting events and listening for them elsewhere. Number 13. Queues and jobs. Queues and jobs. Laravel's queue system allows you to defer time-consuming tasks, improving application responsiveness by processing them asynchronously. Number 14. Service providers. Service providers are the central place to configure Laravel application services, such as registering bindings, event listeners, and middleware. Number 15. Localization. Localization. Laravel supports localization, allowing you to translate your application into multiple languages easily. Number 16. Task scheduling. Task scheduling. Laravel's task scheduling feature allows you to define commands that should run periodically, such as sending reminder emails or clearing cache. Number 17. File storage. File storage. Laravel provides drivers for various file storage systems like local disk, Amazon S3, and FTP, making it easy to manage file uploads and storage. Number 18. Error handling. Error handling. Laravel provides a robust error handling mechanism, including customizable error pages, exception handling, and logging. Number 19. API resources. API resources. Laravel's API resources allow you to transform your eloquent models into JSON structures with a consistent and expressive syntax. Number 20. Testing with PHP Unit. Testing with PHP Unit. Laravel comes with PHP Unit out of the box, making it easy to write and execute unit tests for your application. Number 21. Authorization policies. Authorization policies. Laravel's authorization policies provide a simple, fluent interface for authorizing actions based on user abilities and roles. Number 22. Laravel Echo. Laravel Echo is a JavaScript library that simplifies subscribing to and broadcasting events in real time with WebSocket or broadcasting services like Pusher. Number 23. Package development. Package development. Laravel provides tools and conventions for developing and distributing reusable packages, allowing you to extend the framework's functionality. Number 24. Database seeding. Database seeding. Laravel's database seeding feature allows you to populate your database with sample data for testing and development purposes. Number 25. Laravel Vapor. Laravel Vapor. Laravel Vapor is a serverless deployment platform designed specifically for Laravel applications, offering scalability and simplicity in managing infrastructure. Number 26. Laravel Sanctum. Laravel Sanctum. Laravel Sanctum provides a lightweight package for API token authentication, making it easy to authenticate users for single-page applications or APIs. Number 27. Database transactions. Database transactions. Laravel's database transaction feature allows you to wrap multiple database operations in a single transaction, ensuring data integrity and consistency. Number 28. Task scheduling on Windows. Task scheduling on Windows. Laravel allows you to schedule tasks on Windows using Task Scheduler, enabling automated execution of commands and scripts. Number 29. Laravel Telescope. Laravel Telescope is an elegant debug assistant for Laravel applications, providing insight into requests, exceptions, database queries, and more during development. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.